And welcome into lesson 52. Today we're discussing inversions of seventh chords. Just like triads, seventh chords can be inverted. There are three inversions possible with seventh chords. The first inversion has the third in the bottom, the second inversion has the fifth in the bottom, and finally the third inversion has the seventh in the bottom. And these all relate to the seventh chord in root position, where the first scale degree of the chord, the root, is in the lowest sounding position. So let's take a look at a C major seventh. So here we have our root position, the C, E, G, B. Now if we go into first inversion, we're going to take the C and move it up to the octave. So now our third will be in the bass. And in second inversion, this E goes up to the octave. So we have the fifth in the bass, G, B, C, E. And finally, in our third inversion, the G goes up, and we have the seventh in the bass, which in this case is the B, C, E, G. Okay, so one quick little tangent here, which is more from the traditional harmony, the AP music theory harmony, is we're going to look at these in scale degrees. So from our root position chord, we have a 1, 3, 5, 7. And now, again, we're counting up from the bottom. So this is a 1, 3, 5. But if we count up E, F, G, A, B, C, that's going to be our 6 here. And then going to our second inversion, we have a 1, 3, 4, 6, because we're counting up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again, with our third inversion, 1, 2, 4, 6. So if we're looking at this in a C, 6, 5, a C, 6, 4, or a C, 4, 2, those are referring to the intervals above the bass, first inversion, second inversion, third inversion. Sometimes you might even see that last one, the 4, 2, just as a 2. So that viewpoint is more on the traditional harmonic analysis. It's something you would see in a Roman numeral analysis, but for our purposes, in a more pop contemporary setting, we're not going to be analyzing our seventh chords like that, but it is good to know if you ever see that, how they come up, and we're just counting the intervals from the lowest sounding note.